that there are already managed, organized templates available. You just need to select that template and you start putting your information, and you can create by adding different type of colors, different type of informations, and you can create mind map very easily. So another important thing, that how to create mind maps with Microsoft Word, and you can go ahead with this type of softwares which can help you, because everyone have the Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint might possible. Other softwares is not familiar for everyone, but Microsoft is available and you're already using that tool, so it would be easy for you to create the mind map in Microsoft Word. So let's have a look at how we can create mind map in Microsoft Word.
Hello all, welcome to Edrawmind. In this video, we'll see how to create a mind map on Microsoft Word and Edrawmind. First, we'll create one in Microsoft Word. Navigate to the Insert tab. Under Shapes, choose Rectangle. Start creating the mind map of your choice. Use the arrow shape to interconnect the rectangle shapes. Add text to the boxes as shown. Now it's time to color the mind map.
Here you can find in Microsoft Word that nothing is new. All the tools you're already using and you're familiar with all that one, but using little bit creativity, you can create a mind map and utilize this for the information by interacting for the students, and you can prepare some mind map on the basic type of mind map. But if you want to go for the advanced and more colorful and more interesting, then you can use the software we already discussed in previous slides.
Now let's see how to create a mind map on Edrawmind. Under New, you will find different mind map templates to choose from. Choose Radial Map. Let's start creating a project management mind map. To add a subtopic to the main topic, click on the subtopic icon or press the Enter key. To add topics under a subtopic, select the topic and click on the topic icon. Change the titles as shown. Similarly, continue to build the mind map as shown. Once done with creating the mind map, let's edit the properties. On the right pane, you will find editable properties like branch style.
look at this diagram, you can create, and there is diversity of the diagram that you can go ahead with the main, for example, the project management. Then you have to create the link branches with one word, that is history, project members, principles of the project. And then you can make them more, you can create more branches. So it is not only looking very beautiful, but it is more easy to recall all the information. But if you have to take the same information, similar information, and put it in the form of text, and 1, 2, 3, top to bottom approach, left to right approach, I don't think so that anyone can understand the project very easily. Similar for the students, that if you're going with this type of diagrams, they can have more easy way to understand, and they can recall the results, informations at the time of presentation or at the time of exams.
Change the branch style according to your choice. Use the Format Painter option to change the branch style of all the branches available. Once done, apply a theme as per your requirements, as shown. This feature helps to insert a relationship line between two topics. The callout feature allows you to add a callout on any selected topic. The boundary feature helps to add a boundary around a topic and all of its subtopics. The summary feature is used to add a summary to topics and subtopics. The mark feature inserts a mark on the selected topic. The clip art feature allows you to insert clip art on a topic from the list in the symbol library, as shown.
As you can see, there are plenty of options available to make it more interesting, more powerful image, to make it more understandable. You can use the marks, you can go ahead with the clip arts, even you can add the pictures and using the table formulas. Everything is available like you are going to have written form or textual form, but similar things, if you're going to create a mind map, you can use the similar options, but these information can have a better look, more interaction, and more easy to understand.
Similarly, the picture feature adds a picture to a topic. The hyperlink feature allows you to add a link to a shape for quick access to a web page, file, or folder. The attachment feature allows you to add an attachment to a selected shape. The note feature will add notes to the selected topic as shown. The comment feature inserts comments to the selected topic as shown. As you can see, the tag feature allows you to add a tag to the selected topic. Now let's see more about slideshows. Click on Auto Create to create slides of your mind map as shown.
So that's interesting that if you want to create the slides for your mind map, it can be easily done by using the software. So all the information is being converted to the slides, and you can share these slides in the form of PDF with your students or with your colleagues, wherever you want to share.
Click on the slideshow icon to start the slideshow. You can traverse through the topics of your mind map by using the traverse feature as shown.
So this is another interesting thing, traverse. You can go ahead, adjust, and you can move by using this feature as well.
Now let's look at preparing a Gantt chart. Navigate to Advanced and click on Gantt chart. Select all the topics and click on the Add Task Info icon. Now you can see all your mind map topics are listed into Gantt charts. You can modify the duration of subtopics, and the total duration of the main topic changes accordingly. Using the Gantt chart option, you can modify a few things like date, chart units, and define the start and end time, and whether to include weekends.
So by using Gantt chart, you can set the timing for assignments. You can share the details with the students and ask them that you have to complete this assignment by this way to this time to this time. And another interesting thing that comes in my mind just now, that there are some websites which allowing to create a mind map and can share with the other colleagues by using the link. So what you can do as a teacher, that you have to create one mind map or a simple main picture and ask your students as an assignment that, okay, add according to this picture, add the branches in this one. So they can be more creative, more interactive, and they try to put their ideas on the paper. And you can watch and everyone can re-edit all these information. So as an assignment, you can share with your students and you can bring their ideas and their conceptual things, which is not easy to in the form of written. In the form of graphics, you can grab all the information and all the ideas from your students or with your colleagues.
Once your Gantt chart is ready, you can export it as a PDF as shown.
And once you're done, you can export that Gantt chart in the form of PDF and share with your students or colleagues.
Now let's see about exporting your mind map to Microsoft Word. Even in Word, the topics are still editable, as you can see.
That is great. That is great one, that you can export your the similar all that. Once you're done with the mind map, you can export to Microsoft Word. And good thing is this all the diagram can be editable. You can change the headings, you can change the words or sentences, whatever you want to change, you can change it in this way.
Thanks for watching, and don't
I hope this type of videos and tutorials can help you to understand in a better way. The reason behind to bring this type of tutorials, because by utilizing all the options by myself, it will take time and might be not understandable. So we have to record and show you the exact what is going on inside once you started to do it by yourself. So before taking start, I mean, like for the next slide, I would like to make an announcement again that registration and attendance both are mandatory to receive the certificate. So like I would like to request all of you that here we have pasted the link. Thanks Dr. Wajia Rahman for pasting the registration link. Here is a link in the chat, so you have to click on that one and make the registration for this course to receive the certificate. In last week's session, I had, I think, more than 100 participants and only 16 got the certificate. The reason behind, some didn't get registered, some get registered and didn't attend the session. And another thing that that can help you to receive the certification, that please open the participant list in front of you. That is in the Zoom, there is one participant list. In front of your name, there is 3 dots or there is one button more. Click on that one and click on rename, and following to your rename name, please add the employee ID. If someone is not adding the employee ID, we would not be able to find you in the registration list. The reason here you are using the English names, but in the registration list from the database, it is extracting the Arabic name. So it would be difficult for us to find out all the things. The only easy way that you have to add your employee ID. So it would be easy for us to send you the certifications. I hope everyone understand. What is next? What are the benefits of mind map? Benefits, lot of benefits we already discussed, but what is main benefits? That is meaningful connection and many other things, team collaboration, members, individual space, visual and organized voice, range of the data. Normally what happens, like in project management, creative brainstorming is key to solving problems, coming up with clear roadmaps and generating unique outcomes, all of which are easy to do with mind mapping. And other mind map benefits for creative project management includes, as I told you, that making meaningful connections between ideas, and it can be collaborating with terms virtually or when spread out across the globe, giving every team member space to contribute and have their voice heard. Everyone can have an idea and they can place their idea in front of the team members, and having a visual and easy to understand subject map, and in the end organizing a wide range of data, depends projects and related tasks. All these dependent projects and related tasks can be organized in a range of data, so that would be help for everyone to take the benefit as a team member or as an individual. So what are the essential basic part of mind map? Let's wrap up in this way that we do have something. We're gonna start with the central theme, that a central theme is placed in the center of a blank page. This is the title, the subject, a problem, or just a thought. When thinking of something, images automatically take form in your head. If you have a picture in front of you, just start brainstorming and what it comes. For example, the image of colorful bunch of balloons when thinking of birthday in front of you. This is central theme. For example, if you start thinking about birthday, that I do have birthday or someone else have the birthday, or our kids have the birthday, so what first comes in our mind? That is balloons. So you can put the image or idea which can have the more creativity in your mind, and it can bring the topic associations. The next one is associations. From the central theme, associations radiate out. This is main, like birthday, there is balloons, and now ideas comes and spreaded on in the form of associations. Associations directly from the central theme are called first level association. The main idea and the connectivity with the first level of integration of information, that is called like associations. These are first level associations, and you can go ahead with further level, second or third level associations as well. The next one is curved lines. Curvinal lines are also really important to connect the information between each other. The same thing that, as I told you, that first level of information, the second level of associations are created, third level, and so on. But one thing, keep in your mind that you can create a lot of levels, but as per research, only 6 or 7 levels mind can easily recognize. So do not go too much in depth. That can be more tricky and more difficult to understand. So what we have discussed in curved lines, that associations are often drawn as curved lines. They are curved rather than straight because the brain likes curves. Really interesting thing, that why we do not use the straight lines. because we are using the curve lines, and according to researchers that curves are more interactive and easy to understand for the mind, because our mind and brain like the curves instead of straight lines. So we have to go with the curved lines. The keywords, another important part of the mind map, that mind map summarize information. You do not need to go with the phrases or multiple type of words. Only one word, one keyword is important. And instead of sentences, ideally only single keyword are used. A single word per association gives more freedom, creativity, and clarity. So you have to go with one word instead of phrases. The next one is proximity. That is, the length of a word ideally matches the length of a curved line. That the space you are using, that is for the word, that should not be very, do not prolong it the same word. That should go with the curves of the line. So this will give you an attractive look, and it could have more impact on the person who is watching or viewing your image. So that causes associations words to be in close proximity. So that would be more easy and more interesting for anyone to understand that one. 7 associations, which I told you earlier, that a mind map can have many first level associations, but the mind or brain can only grasp about a maximum of 7. So do not take it, figure out 10 or 20 or 15. So you have to go maximum 6 or 7. So keep yourself restrict till here. Last but not least, that is color and images. Most important part of mind map, that use the color for all type of lines, for boxes, for the text. You can use the different combination of colors that can, because our mind like the colorful images in front of you, and it would be more easy to understand for everyone. The use of color is important in the mind map. Why that is important? Because research shows that people who use color and images in their imagination when they are learning are better in remembering than those who don't. Mean, like, it's research, it's not a common thing, that if someone is using images with colors, they can more easy to understand and remember than the one who is using the black and white color. So better to go with the different type of color, combination of the colors. And for sure that in a study, if it make it more colorful, it make it more happening and more easy to understand all these things. So that's all from today, and I hope the topic we try to bring the interesting content for you, and whatever is good, and what is make it easy for everyone to groom the skills for the teachers, and to interact with the students more easily. And if someone have the questions now, after that one, we are going to have a session for the questions. So if anyone have the question, I'm going to turn on the mic so you can ask the questions.